This is the Triton Amore electric shower. In this tutorial we'll be going through the functionality of the shower and then going on to the water and cable entry points. The stop-start button on this shower is located on the right hand side of the temperature control knob. Once pressed, the shower comes on to the full power setting and a temperature readout just above the temperature dial. To change to any of the other settings, the economy setting or the cold setting, just touch the appropriate icon. To turn the shower off, press the stop-start switch once more and the shower will go through a phase shutdown process and eventually stop. Okay, I'm just going to turn power off to the shower and we're going to remove the screws, two in the top, one top left. There we go. And one top right. And one underneath, roughly just off center about there, which I've removed already. And then we'll take the cover off. When you take the cover off, on this shower there is a fly lead that will need disconnecting so that you can remove the cover out of the way. Looking at the cable entry points, there is a cable tray there to the left hand side, and in this installation we've come in from the rear on the right hand side. What I'll do now is I'll move over to the table and we can look at the water and cable entry points in more detail. Okay, now we've moved over to the table, I'll just show you where we can take the water and cable entry points from. On the left hand side, as you look at it at the top, is an entry point for the water and also the cable, and below again we have entry points for the water and the cable on the left and right hand side, and you can also come in from behind with both water and electrics. I'll just remove the trim plate on there and on there, but I'll place them aside. With the water you can actually swivel the water inlet so that you can connect either left or right hand side, whichever is your preference. That is the end of the tutorial for the Triton Amore electric shower. If you want to know anything more about the Triton Amore electric shower or any other Triton shower in the range, please go to the Triton website or our YouTube channel.